In this video, I want to talk about how you can receive BTC or Bitcoin on your Binance account. Now this is really easy. You want to log in and make sure that you verify your account, otherwise this doesn't work. So fully verify it, and once you're verified, you want to hover up here and you want to go to spot. Now this also works on your mobile device, so download the app if you want to do it from there. Then you want to click on deposit, come here, and if you have some crypto, then you can use that. But if you want to use real money, so I can just change this to dollars, you just want to press on this one. And once you're in there, what you want to do is just type in how much. So let's say I want to buy Bitcoin, just like this. And you can type in either how much you want to get or how much you want to spend. So let's say you want to buy 0.01, it's going to calculate it to this one. So then simply you want to complete it, and that is how it's done. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.